Have you been searching for a high-quality drone with a camera that can deliver stunning 4K footage and actually deliver on its promises? If so, you're probably wondering if the DJI Air 3S is the right choice for you. I've had the chance to put this drone to the test, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. As someone who's passionate about capturing beautiful travel shots, I was impressed by the Air 3S's enhanced camera capabilities, which include a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera that can record cinematic footage with vibrant detail. One of the things that really stood out to me was the ability to capture seamless panoramic shots using the free panorama mode. It's a total game-changer for creating stunning vistas and landscapes. But what really sets the Air 3S apart is its ability to fly safely at night, thanks to its forward-facing LiDAR and additional sensors that provide a high level of redundancy and reliability. And with the next-gen Smart Return to Home feature, I felt confident that the drone would always find its way back to me, even in challenging environments. The extended flight and video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers was also a major plus, giving me the freedom to explore and capture footage from a distance. In terms of practical benefits, I found the Air 3S to be incredibly versatile, whether I was using it to capture footage of landscapes, cityscapes, or even just to get a unique perspective on a familiar place. The 45-minute max flight time was more than enough for most of my shoots, and the included DJI RCN3 remote controller made it easy to control the drone and adjust settings on the fly. So, what are the pros and cons of this drone? On the plus side, the image quality is truly exceptional, the drone is relatively easy to use, and the built-in safety features give you peace of mind. On the downside, the drone is a bit on the pricier side, and it can take some time to get used to the controls and settings, but overall, I think it's well worth the investment for anyone serious about capturing high-quality aerial footage. Overall, I've been really impressed with the DJI Air 3S, and I think it's a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone with a camera. If you're in the market for a new drone, I'd definitely recommend checking this one out, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to check the latest price on Amazon.